Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and who wants to spend their precious time drying their hair? Not me. And now I never do thanks to this Dyson hairdryer. I am absolutely in love with the gorgeous colors of this hairdryer. The Vinca blue and the rose accents is just so unique. Something I love about all Dyson products, and that is true of this hairdryer too, is that it is really simple to use and has a no fuss approach. It comes with a number of attachments, and switching them could not be simpler or faster. They simply snap on using magnets. I generally tend to use the flat attachment most of the time. It is extremely powerful and it gets super hot too. I like to keep the airflow at the highest level, but when it comes to the heat, the second level is enough for me. My hair texture is pretty fine, but I do have quite a lot of it. Using this hairdryer, I can get my hair totally dry in less than 5 minutes. It leaves my hair shiny and smooth and with lots of body and bounce. If I am super pressed for time, I could easily get away with not using my hair straightener or a hair curler at all. That's how good my hair looks after just using this hairdryer. This Dyson hairdryer minimizes my hair drying time so much, and it also injects life into my fine hair. And that's my point of view.